Switchblades.tv presents available at assistedknife.com. Roadsideimports.com presents it has arrived. The new Spyderco Szabofly Balisong butterfly knife. Spyderco Szabofly model SPB03, designed by Lacey Sazbo. It's proudly made in Golden, Colorado, in the USA. The overall length is 9 8/7 inches. The blade length is 4.25 inches. The blade material is 157 cm stainless. It has the spring latch. The handle material is cast steel. The handle length is 5.62 inches. The overall weight is 5.5 ounces. And it possesses the stainless steel clip as well. The new Spyderco Szabofly. Available at assistedknife.com. Got questions? I got answers. Email me at jb@roadsideimports.com